Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the ESTILO Serena hand shower and rail set, so you can see what to expect and what you're going to get inside this package. Okay, so I have cut open already, so you can pull it out. Here is the handle right here. Okay, so I got it out of the box. Now, especially this handrail here, while it looks like metallic, but it actually is simply just plastic. You can hear it. It's very light, extremely light. So it's just plastic right here. Okay, on the inside you can see there is a metallic coating on the plastic right there. So it's not really a genuine metal, it's just simply plastic. Here is a shower head. Now I'm surprised inside the box here, it looks a bit dirty. Okay, so this is the shower head. Okay, so this is what you get inside the shower head. There's also this hose here, flexi hose, that comes with the box as well. Now there is also a soap tray. This soap tray here is also made of plastic as well. Now we've got a cover here. Surprisingly, this one is actually made out of metal, it's quite heavy. And you also get some screws in here as well. And that's it. So that is what you get inside the box. Thank you for watching this video.